Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today airdrop is a work mining airdrop. When you are working, you can earn money from this airdrop. Your every step will be a money from this airdrop, same as Sweetcoin wallet airdrop. So guys, keep in touch with us, don't skip, we'll update everything here. So first of all, we have TRX giveaway today. If every two people can win from this TRX giveaway, I will explain end of this video. So guys, if you can see the in this telegram channel, this airdrop I post recently, so you can go with this link and you can copy the referral link also from here. When you are going from the link, you can download the application. So every step I will be showing here. You can click this link in the telegram channel, there is a post. After that, you click this channel link, you will come like this interface. Work mining, convert your every step for rewards. So this is the main thing is here. You can earn money from your step. You can copy and you can have to download from the uh, Google Play that application. So guys, first of all, you have to copy that invite code from here. When you are entering the application, you have to paste there this code. Okay friends, now you can download this from the Google Play. Like that, you can install this work mining application. So then you can see the like this interface. There is a logo like a jet here. Then you can make sign up from the bottom. After pressing the sign up button, you will become like this interface. You have to enter your email address and password here, and again confirm the password, and you can enter any nickname, and you have to paste that copied invitation code here and put the tick to agree and make sign up button. Then you will come the other interface. After that, you sign up, you have to verify, give the approval for Google Fitness also. After that, it will be coming like this interface. There will be showing your profile, and here will be energy mean which you can take that to your coin from this energy. Coin mean your point will, if you are working, you can earn some point. That point will be convert WKM coin, so that coin you have to get from this energy. So guys, you can see there are all things in the interface. You can skip these things when you are either entering the application. So then you can start your mining. This is the card. Your all steps will be coming here as a coins, as a points. Then you can convert that point to WKM coins. Okay guys, everything I will explain how to exchange this coin, everything. So stay with us and keep subscribe to the channel also. So this here you can go your profile icon. Then you have to verify your email address. You can send the code and take your email code from the email address. Then you can paste here and put the next button. Your verification successful. Then you can go here and you can see blue ticks, that mean your email is verified. Now you can see your nickname, and you can take the your invitation code from here, and you can invite from your friends or someone. Then you also can take extra 10 coin, and your friend also will take extra 10 coins. Okay, so now here you can tap this card. Then if it is filled, you can go there and you can claim, and you can make everyday attendance from this attendance. There is a 45 days attendance. After that 45 days, you can convert your all coin to money. So that is the main thing. You have to mark attendance every day here. You can see there is a attendance. You can claim 10 coins every day by attendance. And you can scroll down, you can see the 45 days is here. After 45 days, you can convert your WKM coin to and XPLA coins. Then you can exchange for as a USDT. Okay guys, this is an main interface. Here will be coming your coin and your invitation 10 coins and other 10 from the your attendance. Still not counting the step here, just now I downloaded. So after that, counting the steps, you can press this card and that point will be automatically converted the your coin. This is the withdrawal method. You can see, select this card and you can see XPLA coin is here. If you have 2890 coin out of 45 days, you can easily convert to 10 coin from XPLA. Another method also, Netflix is here and Amazon also here, but I'm recommending to take XPLA coin from converting your WKM coins. So this already listed in the exchange. I will go to the coin market cap. You can see exchanges, which exchanges is listing this coin, so you can easily convert your XPLA coin from the exchange to USDT. This is the price right now in the XPLA. So you can see these are the exchanges guys, so you can see easily convert your XPLA coin from to the USDT. You have to do only 45 days attendance and uh, collect your coin step points from the your step. So guys, this is only video, so now I will explain about TRX giveaway. If you can, make subscribe this channel and put one comment here and make one like here and join our Telegram channel also here in the link in the description. Then you can join our Telegram TRX giveaway. That means I will select two people from here. I will distribute 10 TRX, both of them. In between, you have to join here and subscribe the channel and make a comment, put a like, and join our Telegram channel. That winner will be announced with another video. So guys, see you soon and our another video. So make join for our TRX giveaway. Thank you very much.